All right, hey everyone. You're going to be working on Monday, May 4th. These are going to be your ELA expectations. Remember, if you download this PowerPoint, there's an audio too. I would definitely start taking a look at this PowerPoint, maybe a little bit more in depth, or replay the video a few times because some of you are picking some really silly answers, and all you have to do is make sure that you're paying attention to what I post and what I'm explaining when you go ahead and read. So, what are we reading today? Well, today you're going to get on Mayan, and this is going to be the text that you're going to download or read. I'm sorry. It says transportation long ago and today. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to start reading to understand the history of transportation. Remember, historical texts don't just describe several events or ideas. They also explain why they happen, why they matter, what happened, why they matter, those types of things. Today, boys and girls, when you read it, you are only starting at the cover and going to page 7 only. So while reading, remember this is informational, so what should I keep my eyes open for? Well, I want to keep an eye open for those key details, meaning what happens to transportation, why is it happening, things like that. I also might want to take a look at text features such as headings, subheadings, photos, timelines, captions, glossaries. That might help too. Remember, use that audio to have the text read to you if you are struggling. Play it back a few times. Also use context clues, or boys and girls, if you get stuck on Mayan, there's actually a definition area for you to get the dictionary definition. All you have to do is click on the word that you're struggling with. So question 1, you're going to be on page 4, and here's the text. And a lot of you, for some reason, have been using my PowerPoint to get your text, but you haven't been actually going on Mayan and reading it or downloading the PDF. Please make sure you're actually reading the text and not just relying on the video or the PowerPoint to do your work. So when you get to page 4 and 5, yes, there is a photograph on there too. You're going to need to choose 2 statements that best tell why the inventions of the wheel, steam engines, and electric power change everything. Boys and girls, you need 2 answers. And think, because of these inventions, things change. What 2 things actually change on this page? If it was me, I'd start thinking about how do planes, trains, cars change now versus what they were doing in the past. Question 2, you're going to go to page 6, and it's going to look a little something like that. It'll say transportation in ancient times. So it says, what conclusion can you draw about why water was important in transportation in ancient times? Boys and girls, I started looking about where it says boats and canoes that people paddled, helped them navigate in areas nearby. So that lets me know that boats might have been important for people nearby. But then if you keep reading, it says large ships became the mode of transportation. So not only is it nearby, but it seems far away as well. And I want you to keep those 2 ideas in your head because that'll help you answer this question and this question, because now you have to pick 2 sentences from over here to support your idea that you just picked for question 2. Then, boys and girls, your challenge words this week are going to be all related to Miss Major's birthday on May 10th. Yeah, Miss Major's having a birthday. So your word for today is birthday.